Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do a tag video. And my mind is drawing a blank again. I think it was called the Death Row Shave, and that was by Soap Thing Project. I'll put a link in the description to his channel. But real quick, I need to wet my face. Oh yes, and I slept on this tag video a little bit because, you know, if you have to think about what would be your last shave or last meal, there are so many options out there, and I have a lot of favorite scents, and I have a lot of favorite razors. And so to start off with, I would have to say, no questions asked, I would have to have a Trotter's Handcraft brush. Wow. And this one is a beauty. It is a very unique color scheme. And so then I started thinking, well, you know, I'd have to have some star jelly. Most definitely. And then I realized it came down to two razors, and which one would I use the most, or which one would I have the best shave with. And I really couldn't say, and I almost thought about using two razors in the shave because, you know what, it was going to be my last shave if I was on death row. But I decided that I love the Game Changer and I would use it and use it, but I've probably used it so much in the videos, I decided to go to, I won't say my second favorite razor, but I will say my top or my favorite single edge razor, and you know that would be the Blackland Vector. And I've been belly aching and I've been poking so much over there at Blackland to get me an open comb titanium razor. I just don't know if it's ever going to happen, but until then, I'll enjoy my stainless steel version. And I have that already loaded with the feather tongue-tied. I have that loaded with the feather Proguard blade. And so I decided I would go with the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Malbolge. And the reason I picked this one because I enjoy a nice tobacco scent. And this one is nice. I actually have a couple tubs of this because I know this is a seasonal release, and I wasn't sure if I would run out of it in time before the next release. And I do have the Matching Splash, and you can tell this one hasn't been used a whole lot. All right, so I think I have everything. And I do have my Lancaster black sheep towel, because I would have to have that if it was my last shave. Okay, so I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And Captain's Choice copper bowl would definitely be on the list. What a beautiful scent. And as always, the Trotter's Handcraft brush had no problem making a beautiful lather. I have yet to find a soap that it cannot lather, because lathering is really a technique. But seriously though, the brush is just, it rides that fine line of the nice backbone. I better not talk too much about the brush because I have a video coming up on why I love Trotter Handcraft brushes. And I don't want to spill the beans too quick because you won't want to watch that video. Speaking of watching videos, if you haven't subscribed, please do that now. Or share this video and talk about how crazy this guy is with shaving. All right, I'm going to go ahead and warm up the razor. Maybe I should do a video on how to load a single edge razor. What do you guys think? Because this razor. It's not tricky to load, but if you have big hands, it's hard to see what's going on. I do have probably 3 days worth of growth. I do have a spot here-ish. I've been wearing a hoodie, and so just that rubbing back and forth, I think, has created some ingrown hairs for me. And you know when that's going to happen, because when you take your hoodie off, or the shirt that's really close around your neck, if you've got little fuzz balls kind of collecting there because your scruff's been digging at it, you know there's going to be some problems. This particular razor makes easy work of the shave, and it grabs so much real estate. The shave always goes really quick. That is nice and close, very smooth. I was talking to the Cutthroat Journey the other night, and we were talking about my blade comparison video, and I said, you know what, you should do a single edge blade showdown or comparison about how or why you like those particular blades. And then later I went to bed, I was laying there thinking about stuff, and an idea popped in my head that maybe I should do a single edge blade, maybe not showdown, but because there's not really that many, and I don't have two like Blackland Vectors, so that would pose a problem. But I could do it and just swap the blades out for each side of my face. And there are a couple blades that I know that I want to try. I can't say, I better not say. But if you would like to see that video, comment below and let me know, and I will get to work on that video. And since I'm not on death row, I could make that video for you. See how that works? Oh, today is one of those days, guys. I think I'm getting due for a haircut. I have a video that I've made that you guys don't know about, and it's a long one. Would you like to see it on Sunday or Wednesday? Yeah. What would you like? What a nice shave. See that spot? It's not ready. It's irritated. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. All right. Well, the shave is closing in. I'm going to use the Matching Aftershave Splash. And this is one of those ones with the built-in glass restrictor. And if you're not too careful, you can use a lot. Depends on your technique. You know? Wow, that's a nice scent. Yeah, I like to get a little extra on there. And the reason I turned this around earlier is because I'm going to use the matching star jelly scent. Oh, wow. All right, well, that is my shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here. And I would like to say thank you to everyone that's been watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on Sunday's shave. You have a great rest of your week.